boys and girls. So today, Boxing Day 2025. So yeah, we're off to Bird in the Hand at Hayle, which is 5 or 6 miles away. There's a classic car meet there today. So yeah, you're welcome to tag along, come along for the ride. Hopefully we'll get there and back in one piece. I'm just putting a few things together, just in case. You never know. Okay, so just doing a few checks. Checking. Oh yeah. Yep. We've got oil. We've got coolant. I'm taking some extra coolant just in case. Okay, let's gather a few tools and a few checks of the levels and things, and we're ready to rock and roll.
There we go. Well, I feel like royalty. Show cars. Show cars, it says. Oh God. Anybody? Will they tell you where you can go? That's a bit odd. This old girl will probably get as much looking at as any of the other ones. I don't know.
Everybody's classic. We will be very happy.
Back in
That's a good bit of action there. Anyway, we made it to the meet. Oh look, here comes a jeepy jeep. There's some other landies here. So I might be biased, but I think ours looks the best one here at the moment anyway. We've got these three landies. So made it to the meet. Let's go and have a look around. Right, what do you got? I like the eclectic mix of stuff.
What's that on the top of there?
Oh, that's down there. Yeah. Oh, I like this one. Ford Pop, that's nice. Mustang. Look at that, how clean is that? Awesome. How clean is that though, look?
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
You either do it like that or you leave it.
Or you leave it ratty.
Yeah.
Yeah. They both got their pros and cons. Hey? Oh yeah, same colour as well. Same colour as the old Sirocco. Yeah. Oh. Some beastie looking Beamer there. That's nice. Racy looking.
That's nice.
Oh, that's like the...
That's not the same one as up our way, is it?
Oh, it looks similar, doesn't it? Same colour and that. Don't know if it is. And I think this is GTM, I think. MG wheels. Looks like we've got the SAS here. bit of dog aggro.
You want it for Christmas, be good.
Oh, there's beauty in that. This is the skyline.
Yeah, Skyline, the fast as food there.
Nice.
Yeah, very fast car.
That's rather
Maserati.
nice as well. Oh, she's a Maserati.
This is a nice,
Lovely shape.
nice Fiat Spider.
Cheap to buy them from Texas and they were
It's lovely, that
She's
Fiat.
pretty too.
Yeah,
Sits up nicely, that one.
that's like the one that was down Haymore. I wonder if it is the one from Haymore. KGW.
Well, you know, 'cause it's got different colour
Oh look,
wheels.
there's your old car. Peugeot.
But mine was a lovely colour.
Hey?
Mine was gold. Yeah, that's nice though. Pity the collar and cuffs don't match.
Yep, wander down here. Then I've got Cobra. He got beautiful Cobra. AC. Is it original? Oh. These. An automatic Mini. Oh. Interesting piece. Like the stance. Yeah, that's what people like though. That sort of little pre. Comes another Landy. Over yonder. Looks like a fire brigade one.
Yeah, long wheelbase, is it?
Yeah.
Nice. Nicely presented.
How do you call them bread vans? Polos. The Mini. Clubmanshire.
Beauty.
1275 GT.
Yeah.
It's quite a nice beastie.
Sage green and turd brown, urinate fake.
There's one for Classic Britain. Nice Rover. A few miles from where he lives.
well, that's when we come with it.
Oh, look at that. Morris 10. Remember, father years ago, I had a Morris 8.
What was that big old ugly black thing that looks cool?
Got the van.
Yeah.
Chevrolet, I think. I like this little.
Father Abba Riley?
Not that I recall, no. No. Beastie. Ooh, that's a monster, isn't it? It's a lovely looking thing, that is. If you're going to have a Bentley, have something like that. Wow, look at the wheels on that. Must be a bit. They've got to be 20 plus, haven't they?
Probably can only get them for Bentleys, so they don't need a size on them. They're just Bentley sized.
There's another Landia Defender this time, I think. Yep. A Defender, probably looks like a fire service one. Let's have a look. FFR.
Nice.
Oh, you bastard. Done it again.
You switched it off again. I never know whether I'm allowed to speak or not.
That's a bit nice, isn't it?
A Ford F100. You come and look at the jukebox dash on these.
I like the inside.
Yeah, it's
Left,
lovely. The red,
like
the
that.
red. They used to do them quite common. The red interior with a black exterior.
I like the way they haven't frigged about with it. Oh, those look a bit iffy, don't they?
I do like a little moggy. This one's got a lot of character. Look, he's still got his semaphore things. But the split screen gives it a lot more character.
Reversing into
This
people.
vehicle is reversing.
Yes. He needs the little things.
Yeah.
Yeah, he does that. That's nice, see?
Nice, isn't it?
Well, nice. Using the
But,
tendons.
a bit cool for today.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got a Type 4 engine board. Beach buggy. Yeah, that's a Type 4 engine in that.
2017. I see the picture, like that.
So look how low the Jag is compared to my Land Rover.
Yeah, so they wrapped me specifically made sure these wheels for Jags vehicles. Mate,
Yeah. So, my Land is in good company today. Plenty of old classics here. Bird in hand. Boxing Day meet 2025. Jag sounds nice. Ooh, look at that.
yeah, I'm missing an old breeder. Straight pipe club. Straight pipes and cherries, so this.
Hello.
Hi, brothers. Look, that's another guy. There's
Oh,
another
hello.
chap music on. Hello. Hello.
You're alright?
Yeah, good.
I am not a number. I am a free man.
Hello again.
That's me.
Oh, that's yours. Lovely.
Proper over.
How long you had it?
I gave you a mention just now
Oh, right.
when I was overlooking that rover.
How long you had that?
Not long, a few weeks.
You like
No,
it?
a couple of months, I think. This is the first actual one I've been out from Hay Moor. It's the other thing. I must change this round so that it goes 1, 2, 3.
Bottom left. There you go.
I usually just tap it 3 times.
Yeah.
But it is recording. Yeah. I should have got it when it was moving. Really.
You can adjust the height of the gimbal by dragging this little bar down. Look. If you tap it once, right,
Oh,
then
yeah.
it adjusts it. Look, and now.
That's what well done. Because I've been holding it odd, you know.
Yeah. If
I've been
you,
filming
if you,
something and going, oh, I'm
I'll
not.
show you. I'll give you a quick tutorial.
Yeah, go
so
on
if you
then.
want to adjust the height
Hang
of
on
the
a
gimbal,
Go on then.
want to adjust your
Right,
height of
I've
your
got
gimbal.
Classic
look.
Britain giving me a,
Hello.
a quick tutorial on the.
Yeah, we've got the same
Pocket
camera.
three.
I mean, it seems only polite. So all you do, if you want to adjust your gimbal, you drag that little slider bar down. Look.
I knew you could zoom by doing something like that.
Yeah, if you want to change it to zoom, you tap it once, and then it's a zoom. Look.
Oh yeah.
You just tap that little thing once, a little slidey bar on the side of the screen. You tap it to change it from zoom to adjusting your gimbal.
Cool. Wow.
You'll work it out. They're
Yeah.
pretty idiot proof, and I am
Anyway.
an idiot.
No comment.
Yeah, nice colour. I didn't realise that was done. And Eridu lives up by us.
Yeah. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? County Squire. Let's have a look at the inside. I don't know if you can see in there. Yeah, wow. Proper Dan Dare stuff. Brilliant. So, how low can you go? Yeah. Let's say it's about as low as you can go on any car. It's bonkers low.
That box that's got the the heater core in it, that used to be down really low, but then the Mercedes suspension pushed all that up. So then it was just like make up some new bits and stuff.
So, got a modern Mercedes engine.
So then you made a jig, and then I could remove that jig in one piece and offer it up to the Chrysler chassis. So
Excuse me. Just interesting.
I'm just
So that's a bird in the hand meet. Ooh, plenty of cars, plenty of characters.
Yeah, definitely going to be a.
And there we have it. The bird in the hand. Classic meet 2025. Hope you enjoyed that. We did.